Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious butter bread with chocolate. Yes, delicious, amazing, and I am sure you're going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Beautiful family, the mornings are nice and chilled and cold, and I am ready to enjoy an amazing bread with my coffee. A butter bread with chocolate. These are my ingredients. I have butter extract, Mexican vanilla extract, Hershey's chocolate, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt, half a cup of regular milk at room temperature, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 3 room temperature eggs. Let's make this amazing and delicious butter bread with chocolate made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start first here by greasing my baking dish. Yes, I have the non-stick baking cream that I'm going to add right on the bottom of my baking dish and on the sides. Let me tell you, when you use this non-stick baking cream, you are going to be amazed that nothing sticks behind. Look at this. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of the non-stick baking cream. You want to grease your baking dish really good. And after it's nice and greased, just put it aside. And now I am ready to continue by making this amazing butter chocolate bread. I am using 3 room temperature eggs. Remember that all your ingredients need to be at room temperature so your bread comes out fluffy and delicious. Once you add it, I am ready to add the extract. I have the butter extract and I have the Mexican vanilla extract, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of each. The aroma of the butter extract, oh my gosh, just amazing. And the combination of the vanilla, perfect. I'm adding granulated sugar, and now I am ready to whisk away. I want to incorporate the sugar, incorporate the eggs, and all the extracts. You want to make sure you whisk it really good so that there is no lumps at all. And now I am ready to add half a cup of regular milk at room temperature, 1 stick of unsalted butter that I have dissolved in the microwave for just a couple seconds, and I'm going to mix away all the wet ingredients. This part is very important. You want to make sure that you use all your wet ingredients first and then sift your dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and the pinch of salt. And now I am ready to whisk away and incorporate all the dry ingredients, making sure that there's no lumps at all. Once this is done, I have the 2 bars of chocolate. I have Hershey bars. I'm just going to pull away, separate the little squares. And once I'm done, I am going to take it to the microwave for just a couple of seconds, 10 seconds at a time, until the chocolate has dissolved completely. Once it has dissolved, I'm adding a little bit of the batter into the chocolate, and I'm just going to mix away, incorporate the chocolate into this batter. And once it's nice and incorporated, I am ready to spoon it in. Let me show you. A very easy recipe, but this bread really comes out so fluffy and the flavor of chocolate just amazing. Once this is done, I am ready to start pouring into my baking dish all the batter. I'm going to add all the batter in here. Once it's everything in here, I'm just gonna mix a little bit, and then I'm ready to spoon in the mixture of the chocolate. Look how easy it is to make a bread from scratch. Make it at home, and you have control of how much sugar, how much butter you're adding to your amazing breads and baking goods. Here on my channel, you will never see a box of cake or a box of bread when you could make it from scratch and you know exactly what you're adding into your amazing goods. Well, here I'm just going to mix away and then put it in the oven, 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for about 30 minutes. Look how amazing it looks. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. After the 30 minutes, look how easy it comes out of the baking dish. Nice and golden brown. And of course, I am ready to cut a piece for myself. I want to show you how fluffy it is. All the swirls of the chocolate inside. I am ready to enjoy. Really fluffy, really delicious. But I'm going to make myself an amazing coffee. Nice and hot. The mornings are nice and cold and chilly. And of course, when you make a delicious bread at home, you're really going to enjoy it. And now I'm ready to prepare my café de olla with instant coffee. I'm adding 2 teaspoons, adding hot water, and then a splash of milk. I am ready to enjoy. I am ready to really enjoy this amazing butter chocolate bread. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. Look at this. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. With this amazing vanilla chocolate swirled bread that I know you guys are going to love. This is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So fluffy, so delicious. The flavor of the chocolate so penetrated and so amazing. When you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. and I will stay enjoying this amazing homemade bread made from scratch. See you soon. Bye-bye.